Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern dining room ceiling design ideas plays a crucial roles in enhancing the overall aesthetics and ambiance of the space. One popular trend is the use of coffered ceilings, which add depth and character through a great pattern of recessed panels. These designers not only creates visual interest but also allow for unique lighting options with each section. Another striking idea is the installation of a suspended ceiling with geometric shapes or layout elements. This can create a dynamic focal point while add a height and dimension to the room. Using materials such as wood, metal, or even fabric can further enhance modern appeal and create a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. For a minimalist approach, consider a flat ceiling painted in a bold color or adorned with a simple decorative border. This technique can add a contemporary flair without overwhelming the space. Incorporating LED strip lighting along the edges or within recessed sections can provide a subtle yet effective way to illuminate the dining area, creating a warm and inviting glow. Additionally, textured ceilings such as those featuring wood slats or pattern moderns are becoming increasingly popular. These elements add warmth and can complement various decor styles from rustic to industrial. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.